Leaked photo of immigration mass trial in Texas shows dozens of prisoners in orange jumpsuits standing shackled in court. A leaked image showing dozens of demoralized illegal immigrants taking part in a mass trial in Texas has highlighted the impact of Trump's tough border control laws. In these trials, the judge does not talk to each person individually. The group is expected to answer questions in unison, and each person is given just minutes with a public defender to help their case. Debbie Nathan, a reporter well-versed in border and immigration issues in the U.S., says trials like this have become a regular occurrence since Donald Trump's presidency. Immigrants are detained and sent to court with their hands and feet shackled, after attempting to illegally cross the border into the U.S. Many of the immigrants defending themselves have come to the U.S. from violent or poor countries like El Salvador, Guatemala and Honduras. They are attempting to flee their home countries, places which are often subject to daily violence and as a result can be extremely unsafe. Last month, Attorney General Jeff Sessions announced a zero-tolerance policy on immigrants crossing the border. He said, "We are not going to let this country be overwhelmed. If you cross this border unlawfully, then we will prosecute you." As a result of these tough new laws, those who try to cross the border are immediately charged with a crime before they are able to claim asylum. They are then detained and taken to trials like these. Nathan said, "The atmosphere is extremely subdued. People are very exhausted. Demoralized. You get the feeling they don't know what's going on. It feels like an assembly line. A mass production of guilty pleas." According to U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, in April of this year 50,924 people were detained at the border, 4,314 of them unaccompanied children. If the court grants them asylum, they are allowed to stay in the U.S., but they are often separated from their families and children with no idea of their whereabouts. If they are not granted asylum, they will go through the criminal process in the U.S., with the potential to be jailed, fined, or deported. Before the zero-tolerance policy, those who feared returning to their home country would be referred directly to the asylum system. Now they are immediately hit with criminal charges. Barack Obama held occasional mass trials during his presidency, but they have become much more common under Trump's administration. It is illegal to take photos in federal court, but the person responsible for this image said it was important that they expose what is happening. Nathan said, "It's horrible. I've been pretty broken by all of this. Email us at tips. You can WhatsApp us on 07810791502. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours."